Initial screening. Employers use many different pieces of information to try to determine if an applicant will be successful on the job. The initial pieces of information for screening applicants include resumes, cover letters, and application, and often the internet. Resumes and cover letters have been used for decades to assess the suitability of applicants. Generally, these documents are reviewed first with an eye towards who can be eliminated because they do not have the skills, abilities, education, or experience outlined in the job description for the application. Well-written cover letters are important if a requirement of the job is having a good written communication skills, which is the case for many jobs. Evaluating resumes can be a subjective process. The fact that there is no set format for writing resumes, that they vary from person to person, can make them difficult for people to screen. Bias can also enter in the process. For example, one research study found that qualified applicants with black-sounding names had to send out 15 resumes to get an interview, whereas candidates with white-sounding names only had to send out 10. Developing explicit evaluation criteria and a structured way to review resumes can help them make process less subjective. Once applicants who clearly are not qualified are eliminated, a company might use an assessment grid like shown in the figure. The downside of manually screening and assessing cover letters is that it is not uncommon for a firm to get hundreds of resumes for a single position. To speed up the evaluation process, many firms are now using software to scan resumes to find qualified applications. Internet checks and phone screening. HR professionals and hiring managers often Google applicants' names and check online social networking sites before deciding whether or not to invite them for an actual face-to-face interview. Downsides of conducting internet searches lead to the privacy of the applicant. Video resumes are short video clips that highlight applicants' qualifications beyond what they can communicate via their resumes and cover letters. The videos allow employers to see how well they represent themselves and decide whether they should be called in for an interview.
Created using Powtoon.